Good morning on day 77. This is the albergue I stayed at, and I didn't edit any single video. I met some great guys and we had some wine and were laughing a lot and listening to some music and dancing, and it was just one of those days when I just prefer to have fun with the people that are doing the same thing as I am and just enjoy and relax. I'm super grateful I met them. It was awesome. It feels a little bit sad that I'm walking the other direction because I'm sure we would have a lot of fun, but yeah, that's it for the intro, and I'm gonna start walking. I don't know how far I'm gonna go today, but we will see. Probably like 28 or something. Maybe more, maybe less. You know the drill. So I'm 13.5 kilometers in, and it looks better here. Like it's still this gravelly type of road. It's very windy today. You can probably hear it, of course you can. And yeah, it's much nicer here, I think, because you also have these small hills like around, and it's quite nice. I'm not mad about this section. It's much better than the completely flat section with all these fields and absolutely no elevation anywhere. This one is like nicer. So I'm about 17 kilometers in. I made it to this village and I'm planning to take a longer break here. I don't know if there is any bar open or anything, but there should be some little store so I can buy some drink and maybe something small to eat. I gotta admit, today's section is quite beautiful, but the wind is very annoying. But this is the town I'm heading to, where I'm gonna be sleeping. There is also like some kind of a ruin of a castle on the top of that hill, but I don't think I'm gonna go there. But look at that. It is quite nice here. Wow. Good morning from this beautiful village of Castrojeras. I ended up staying in the albergue with maybe 8 people. I didn't count. I think it was around 8 other people. And it was nice. We had some nice talks. And the plan for today is interesting. It's actually interesting for next 5 days. Because in 5 days I would like to get to Logroño, which is over 160 kilometers, with the longest day being today. And if I'm able to walk it, it's gonna be a 40-kilometer day today. I'm sure I can walk it, but it's gonna be tough for sure, because there is only one more albergue open now at this section, this 40 kilometers, but it's in 10 kilometers from now, so I'm definitely not gonna stay there. I could camp before Burgos, but I might change my mind. But I think I set up a pretty nice plan how to get to Logroño in 5 days, so today I will stay in Burgos. Then the day after I'm gonna be camping, which is gonna be also like 36 kilometers. And then it's gonna be like 28 29 and 27 or 28 again. So I think that's what I'm gonna do. Like 40 kilometers is a lot, but I did the 39 and I was fine. It's a little bit after 9 now, so a little bit late start for walking 40 kilometers, but the days are getting longer already, so it's okay. And also I don't mind to get to an albergue in the evening, so I should be fine. 40 kilometers is 8 hours of walking. But this is a really nice village, and there is a ruin of a castle up on the hill, and you can actually see it from here. Awesome. I was thinking to go there without my backpack, but since I'm walking 40 kilometers, I'm not gonna do it. I don't think it's worth adding extra couple kilometers. Wow, this is a beautiful church. Amazing. I can already tell that today is gonna suck. And not necessarily because of the distance. I've walked 39 a couple days ago. I know I can do 40, like it's not that big of a difference anymore. But the problem is last night was raining quite a bit, and the whole top layer of this dirt/gravel road is muddy, and that mud sticks to your shoes like a damn glue, and it's making it so hard and annoying, and you need to clean the shoes all the time because it just sticks and doesn't want to go away. This is gonna be rough. Yeah, I'm like 12 and a half in and I'm already tired of this. So it's gonna be a long damn day. I'm trying to walk on the grass, which is uneven, so that's also not very good. When there are mainly rocks, I try to walk on the rocks, but it's just gonna be a damn pain in the ass. So I'm 18.21 in, and that means another 100. This time it's 100 number 18, I believe. So 1,800 kilometers walked, and I'm not even happy about it today. It's harsh. My feet are on fire. I took only one break after 9.5 kilometers, so I'm walking a lot, which I'm always walking a lot, but I think you know by now that I like to take, like every 4 or 5 kilometers I like to take a break, and now I've taken only one, and I'm gonna take another one in less than 2 kilometers, I believe. Yeah, so I'm gonna be halfway through the day, and it's around 13:30, I believe. So the time is not bad at all, but for some reason my feet are acting up last couple of days. Like I have a bunch of hot spots. I don't know what's going on, because they were doing so fine, and now last couple of days they're just miserable and painful. My legs, on the other hand, are doing great. Like my legs are no pains or aches. The Achilles is all good. Nothing that would bother me at all. Only the feet. So little update after a while. The weather got very nice, but unfortunately I was on just dealing with the mud, but also with like little flies that were swarming me. Today is not the day, but I'm still pushing towards the 40 kilometers. I don't know what time it is. I think it's around 4 and I'm 28 something in, so I have 12 kilometers left. Should be doable. I'll be fine. There is a restaurant in 1.5 kilometers and I saw they have burgers, so I'm gonna have a burger because I need some energy. I had just an oatmeal for breakfast with some nuts, and then I had like a little bit of white chocolate left, and that's everything I ate in the whole day. So I am tired, I need some energy. My feet are still in pain. It's just, I don't think I'm gonna comment on anything today anymore. I'm just gonna push through it, embrace the suck, and tomorrow is gonna be a new day. But it's a shame because today it's like really nice. Really nice with all those clouds. It's kind of beautiful. So in the restaurant they weren't accepting cards, and the guy behind the bar was very unpleasant, so I just took a beer and I'm walking again. I stayed maybe 15 minutes tops, and I have 10.5 kilometers left to go. This is gonna be a big push. I'm gonna take a break. I'm not gonna walk it in one go. Like, I've already walked over 30 kilometers and I am tired. My feet still hurt. Luckily, no more flies, it seems like, and no more mud, hopefully. I am tired. I should definitely eat something, but I don't even feel that hungry. But I know pushing 40 kilometers on not nearly enough food is not okay. Well, I made it before dark. And my first 40. The albergue is, I think, 500 meters away. So almost there. Almost. Oh wow, there is the cathedral. I don't think you can see it through the trees, but wow. Now I don't know if I'm going up or there, but I'm gonna check the map. So yeah, I don't think I'm gonna be filming anything anymore today. I am done. I need to eat and I need to drink and I need to sleep. Look at the cathedral. Beautiful.